This year, for International Women's Day, we're celebrating the great contribution women make to the Australian research community.
Here at the Australian Research Council, we're proud to have an inclusive culture where everyone, regardless of their gender, is given the opportunity to excel.
We work with researchers around the country and across the globe of all backgrounds,
so we can give our best and brightest minds equal access to our unique research workforce.
Our agency has a variety of shared experiences which helps us to support a diverse research community.
We support many women through our funding schemes. We are also proud that women have held almost every position here within the ARC, from graduate level
right through to the CEO. In fact, around 70% of our staff are women and are committed to ensuring all eligible researchers can participate in Australia's incredible research community.
Happy International Women's Day.